Imagine this. Your friend asks you a question.
What question?
Have you ever traveled to another country?
That is a question about life experience.
Today, we learn how to talk about experiences using the present perfect tense.
Simple English for real life.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Happy English.
Hello, friends. Welcome back.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today, we talk about present perfect.
Present perfect for life experiences.
First example sentence. I have visited London.
I have visited London.
Repeat again.
I have visited London.
Good. Present perfect uses have or has plus past participle.
Example, I have eaten pizza.
Very good. Listeners, repeat.
I have eaten pizza.
Excellent. Now a question. Have you ever traveled abroad?
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Ever means at any time in your life.
Example answer. Yes, I have traveled abroad.
Or, no, I haven't traveled abroad.
Repeat. I haven't traveled abroad.
Very good. Now another example. I have watched that movie.
I have watched that movie.
Repeat.
I have watched that movie.
Good. Tom, have you ever watched a famous movie?
Yes, I have watched many movies.
Good answer. Say it again slowly.
I have watched many movies.
Excellent. Now another experience. I have eaten sushi.
I have eaten sushi.
Repeat again.
I have eaten sushi.
Tom, have you ever eaten sushi?
No, I haven't eaten sushi.
Very good. Now let's learn another word. Already.
Already.
Already means something happened before now.
Example sentence. I have already finished my homework.
Repeat.
I have already finished my homework.
Good. Another word. Yet.
Yet.
Yet is often used in questions and negative sentences.
Example question. Have you finished your homework yet?
Good.
Example answer. No, I haven't finished it yet.
Excellent. Now let's practice a conversation.
Okay.
Tom, have you ever traveled by plane?
Yes, I have traveled by plane.
Where have you traveled?
I have traveled to Turkey.
That sounds interesting.
It was a great experience.
Listeners, repeat.
I have traveled by plane.
Good. Now another example. Have you ever met a famous person?
No, I haven't met a famous person.
Repeat again.
I haven't met a famous person.
Good job. Now let's talk about food experiences.
Food is always interesting.
Have you ever tried Italian food?
Yes, I have tried Italian food.
What have you tried?
I have tried pizza and pasta.
Delicious.
Yes, it was very tasty.
Listeners, repeat.
I have tried pizza.
Excellent. Now let's talk about learning.
Learning English is also an experience.
Example sentence. I have studied English for 2 years.
I have studied English for 2 years.
Repeat again.
I have studied English for 2 years.
Good. Now another sentence. I have learned many new words.
I have learned many new words.
Excellent. Tom, have you improved your English?
Yes, I have improved my English.
That is great.
Practice helps a lot.
Very true. Now let's review important sentences.
Review time.
I have traveled abroad.
I have traveled abroad.
I have watched that movie.
I have watched that movie.
I have eaten sushi.
I have eaten sushi.
I have already finished my homework.
I have already finished my homework.
I haven't finished it yet.
I haven't finished it yet.
Excellent work today.
Great job, everyone.
Now we have a question for you.
Yes.
Comment below.
Tell us something you have done in your life.
For example, I have traveled to another city.
Or, I have learned English.
Practice speaking every day.
Present perfect helps you talk about life experiences.
Thank you for listening.
Please subscribe to Happy English.
Share this podcast with your friends.
Keep learning English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.